There is a desert where the earth cracks with thirst, where the winds howl through emptiness, and where every traveler searches desperately for water. In this desert, people wander endlessly, chasing mirages, digging frantically, always hoping the next step, the next mile, the next horizon will give them what they lack. But amidst this wasteland stood a small village, and in the center of that village, an old stone well. Its water was cool, its taste sweet, its gift endless. Yet, strangely, the villagers rarely drew from it. They too kept running into desert, believing the mirages would quench them. One day, a weary traveler arrived. His lips cracked, his skin burned, his heart heavy. He collapsed beside the well, and the villagers gathered. Careful, they warned him. Out there, beyond the dunes, there are hidden springs, rivers of plenty, treasures yet to be found. Don't waste your time here. The traveler looked at them, bewildered. But here, right here, is water. He lowered the bucket, pulled it up, and drank deeply. The coolness ran through him like life itself. He smiled. He was free. And then he said something that shook the village to silence. You run into the desert searching for more. Yet all you need has been beneath your feet all along. That was the moment, the realization, the climax. Contentment is not found in chasing mirages. It is not hidden in the next possession, the next achievement, the next tomorrow. It is here, it is now, it is the well we carry within. And when the villagers, one by one, tasted that water, they too understood. They had been thirsty not because life withheld from them, but because they had forgotten to drink from the well of contentment within themselves. True wealth is not in having more, but in needing less.